Have you ever found yourself amidst the thrilled crowd at a water park, wondering about the safety measures in place? How does the park staff prepare for unexpected incidents? And how do they ensure the safety of their visitors? Zooming in for a closer examination, we begin with a severe occurrence that took place at a Disney water park. Disney, the world-renowned brand celebrated for its extraordinary emphasis on safety, recently confronted a lawsuit due to a severe accident that happened at one of their water parks. This regrettable incident resulted in a person suffering from life-changing injuries. This situation underlines the significance of safety protocols and training at places where enjoyment and danger are inherently tied. Water parks frequently utilize simulations and training drills to ready their personnel for a range of emergency situations and operational tasks. For example, water rescue simulations are regularly conducted, training staff members in water rescue strategies to react to drowning or troubled swimmers. These simulations entail practicing the usage of safety tools like rescue tubes, life vests, and reaching poles. Another essential element is the coordination between water rescue and emergency medical services, EMS. Simulations might also include scenarios where staff members practice effectively removing injured or distressed individuals from the water and setting up solid communication with local EMS providers for prompt medical aid. This ensures that if an incident does happen, the response time is swift and the communication is uninterrupted. Training in first aid is also critical, equipping staff members to offer immediate aid to guests who might suffer from injuries, dehydration, or heat-related illnesses. Simulations can include scenarios where employees provide basic first aid and CPR. Evacuation drills are carried out to ready staff for emergencies like severe weather, fires, or other situations that necessitate the orderly evacuation of guests the park. Furthermore, we should not overlook ride operation simulations, which involve staff members practicing loading and unloading guests safely, operating ride controls, and making sure that safety protocols are adhered to. Then we have lost child scenarios where staff members practice responding to lost child incidents and utilize established procedures to reunite children with their guardians. Communication drills are also commonplace, stressing the importance of effective communication in coordinating responses during emergencies. Maintenance and water quality staff conduct simulations to test water quality and react to situations like chemical spills or equipment malfunctions. And to handle the hustle and bustle of the peak season, water parks often simulate crowded conditions to train their staff in managing large crowds, guaranteeing guest safety, and addressing queue management issues. Despite all these measures, accidents do occur. The most frequent injuries at water parks can range from slip and fall injuries, drowning or near-drowning incidents, water slide and ride injuries, to sunburn and heat-related illnesses and minor cuts and scrapes. The recent incident at the Disney water park serves as a grim reminder of the importance of thorough safety measures and continual training. It highlights the necessity for water parks to stay vigilant, continually updating their safety protocols and training programs to ensure the well-being of their guests. Safety at water parks is a complicated, multifaceted issue that demands constant vigilance and adaptation. From simulations and drills to daily operations and emergency response, every aspect plays a pivotal role in ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for all visitors. We appreciate your subscription, and here's another video you might enjoy.